It's taken a lot getting used to the hair over my eye like that. Hey babes, welcome back to the channel. So we're back today with a new video, and in today's video I'm featuring premium lace wigs. Big shout out to Premium Lace Wigs for sponsoring today's video. So let's get into this look.
I lost my composure. I got love to show you.
Always, all details will be in the description box, but I'm gonna let you know a little bit about the wig off that. This is the tag that came with the wig. So this is Brazilian virgin hair, body wave texture. Color is ombre blonde. 250 density, y'all. Transparent lace, medium cap size, 24 inches, and it is a full frontal 13x4 lace wig. This is the box that it came in. I'm trying to like get used to this being in my face, but I already know, super cute. A satin bag that you can re-store your wig. I did get some sectioning clips, pair of strip lashes, 2 HD wig caps, a brochure to let you know a little bit more about the wig, how to care for it, all of that good stuff, a comb, and I have a melt band which I did use for the install. This is basically what I was going for, and I think I nailed it. Loving this hair. One thing I have to say about this hair is it is super, super thick. The hair is so thick, the texture. It's taken a lot getting used to the hair over my eye like that, but when I put it up, it looks different, right? But all the details will be down below. If you are interested in this hair, check the description box. I'm going to thank Premium Lace Wigs for sponsoring today's video. If you beauties have any questions, color suggestions, style suggestions, DM me styles, DM me pictures. Let me know what it is that you guys want to see. It keeps me creative. Shout out to y'all for watching another video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.